Hello, YouTubers and coin collectors out there. This coin that we have here is the 1967 Washington quarter. This particular series of quarters was made from 65 to 1998. And what I wanted to focus on this video was the metal content of the coin. As you may have heard on some of my other videos, the metal content is copper, nickel clad copper. So that's obviously can be pretty confusing to most people. So I wanted to explain to people what that meant. So that means that there is a nickel jacket, like a nickel jacket, which is like a layering over a copper core. So it's a nickel coating, which gives it the color on top of a copper core. Now these are much cheaper for the US Mint to issue than a solid copper coin, which is why they do it. Now I believe that all of the quarters from 65 to 1998 were made with this metal content. And this metal content takes about 6 cents for the US Mint to produce this quarter. So obviously that's much more affordable than having a all copper coin or an all nickel coin. So in 67 there were 1.5 billion of these produced. That's obviously quite a lot. There were also there were none that were produced at any of the other mints other than the Philadelphia Mint. In 68 there were 220 million produced, and in 66 there were 821 million produced. So in 67 they really skyrocketed the mintage for these coins. So here on the side is an example of what I was talking before. There's kind of a thin nickel jacket over the copper core, and on the side that's where it's most apparent. So here is the reverse. You've probably seen the reverse of a quarter many times before. There's nothing special about it here. United States of America quarter. So here's another look at the side, which is a great example of what I was talking about before. But that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it gave you some clarity on what the metal content means when it's a copper nickel clad copper. So there you go. Take care.